A very good evening to everyone. I request participants to please answer if am I audible to everyone? Please reply in the chat box. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. So, a very good evening to everyone. Today we have a very special guest among us. Let me just start saying a quote by Bernard Jensen. Nutrition is the only remedy that can bring full recovery and used with any treatment. Remember, food is our best medicine. He was an American physician and pioneer in the health field. So it's upon this cardinal principle of focusing on nutrition and immunity that we have Ms. Dr. Deepti Tiwari with us. She is a BSc postgraduate in food and nutrition and is having total 17 years of experience with and currently associated with CK Birla Hospital. So may I request Dr. Deepti to please take this session forward. And before that, I would request all the participants to please use the chat box for any questions you may have. And we will take all the questions right at the end of this session. So Dr. Deepti, over to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Anjali. It was just a nice introduction. And you have rightly said that food is a really very important integral part of our life. And now what we do is that we are just ignoring that. So yes, I have got 18 years of experience, and basically I deal with all the therapeutic diets. Just a sec. So coming over today, what I'm gonna discuss in this session is that why is food so very important to us? What is the relation between our immunity and food? And how can we change our dietary pattern slightly so that we can get more nutrition from our daily lifestyle already, which we are having. So I strongly believe in we are what we eat. And I always give examples of people like Amitabh Bachchan, Hema Malini, Akshay Kumar, who have got such a busy schedule. I mean, they work non-stop, but because they are maintaining their lifestyle, because they are following a good diet regime, they are able to give more. They are able to perform more. So it always matters that what we are putting in our mouth, because right now we are actually discussing about how to increase our immunity, what all diet we should have to increase our immunity. We should all know that what exactly our immune system is. I know everyone knows about it. It is just a brush up that basically it is divided into two. One is innate and one is acquired. So our innate immunity is basically our body's lymphatic system, which has got all the white blood cells, beta cells, T cells, which fight back with all the infections. The first is the skin, which is the barrier. The any infection cannot be crossed. Then there is an acquired one. That is when anything attacks, any microorganism, any bacteria attacks us, then our body makes antibodies of those things, and that is called acquired. Best example would be chicken pox. एक बार हो गया तो उसके बाद फिर हमें नहीं होता, right? So this is the acquired immunity. What are the things which actually affect our immunity? First and foremost is age. If you are below 10 and if you are above 60 years, you will not have actually, very good immunity as such also, because growing kids, the proper lymphatic system has not been developed. And as we grow older, there is lot of cell degeneration happening, lot of cells getting weak, and we actually have 30% immunity as compared to when we are younger. There are so many hormonal factors, like if you have a diabetes, if you are pregnant, if you are under a lot of stress, if you have any other metabolic disorders, so that also reduces our immunity. Right now with COVID-19 happening, the scenario which we are seeing is that the people who are diabetic are facing much more serious things with COVID as compared to if you are healthy, get back to your daily routine within 7 to 8 days. But if you are a diabetic and the sugar controls are not very good, then there is a problem. Third and the foremost is nutrition. It is very important for us that what we eat. हम जैसा खाना खाते हैं उतना ही स्ट्रांग या उतना ही वीक हमारा बॉडी होता है. इस पे आई मीन आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल. योर आर्मी इज देयर. हमारी आर्मी स्ट्रांग नहीं होगी तो वो फाइट बैक कैसे करेगी? एंड हाउ कैन आवर आर्मी बी स्ट्रांग? अ राइट टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन फॉर श्योर. सो हमें ये बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना है दैट हमारा जो फूड है इज अ proper balanced diet. When we say food, what all should be there in it? The first and foremost is that you should always have a balanced diet. There are so many people who are saying कि हम ये particular चीज खा लेंगे, we will increase our immunity, या हम ये कर लेते हैं तो we will increase our immunity. But try and understand, we cannot build immunity in one day. It has to be a regular, balanced, proper food which is very important for you, along with immunonutrients. What are immunonutrients? ऐसे nutrients जो कि हमारे बॉडी का इम्यून सिस्टम बढ़ाते हैं. बेसिकली क्या है? दे आर विटामिन ए, बी, सी, डी, E, selenium, zinc. So whatever things are very rich in these vitamins and minerals, we have to increase them in our daily diet. फूड हाइजीनिकली करेक्ट होना चाहिए, केमिकल एंड पेस्टिसाइड फ्री होना चाहिए. दैट सिंपली मीन्स दैट whenever we are going for a packet of chips or whenever we are going for a packaged food, understand it has got one or two chemicals which are really not good for you. So you need to avoid that. Very important is a proper sleep and a regular exercise. The moment we are not sleeping well, already हमारी body में stress hormones आ चुके हैं, and then what happens is that our body's immunity goes down. Similarly, if we are exercising, with exercise what happens? Your heart rate goes maximum and then your immunity also increases. Also, to keep up with the stressful activities, take out 1 hour for you, any recreational activity which can make you happy. So now we'll go all these points one by one. First is a balanced diet. We all know 4 food groups क्या होते हैं. हमें cereal लेना है, हमें milk लेना है, या meat और दाल में से कुछ vegetable fruits लेने हैं, and हमें पानी लेना है. So this is the plate. Your daily plate should look like this. The carbohydrate content and the fruit and vegetable content, the grains and the fruit and vegetable are divided equally. अगर हम पूरे दिन में 6 चपातीस खा रहे हैं तो we are also having 600 to 700 grams of vegetable and fruit, which is actually very difficult. But then if we'll plan wisely, we can achieve it. And when it comes to the junk food, sugary food, the quantity is really very less. That is 10% of it. So if you're having a balanced diet, the nutrients which you are getting are protein, carbohydrate, fat, mineral, vitamins, and water. Protein is not only helpful for your bodybuilding and tissue repair. Protein plays a very important role in the metabolism of lot of hormones. तो अगर हमारी डाइट में प्रोटीन कम है तो देयर इज मेजर चांसेस दैट अगर हम कैल्शियम ले भी रहे हैं वो बॉडी एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो रहा. हम आयरन ले रहे हैं पर वो हमारी बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो रहा. सो इंश्योर दैट हमारे डाइट में प्रोटीन अच्छा हो. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हमें एनर्जी देते हैं, तो इवन इफ यू वांट टू लूज वेट यू शुड नॉट गो ऑन अ वेरी लो कार्बोहाइड्रेट डाइट, especially in times when you are going out, because at that time your immunity will be low. Fat, minerals and vitamins we all know. So now coming over to carbohydrates, क्या कार्बोहाइड्रेट करें, ये भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. अब विंटर्स आ रहे हैं. इन विंटर्स वी आर ऑल वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ अवर गाजर का हलवा, लड्डूस, पिन्नीज एंड ये सारा मीठा. We end up having a lot of these things, but consider that if you're having a lot of sugar, actually what it does is it hampers the activity of T cells and immunity जो है वो बहुत कम हो जाती है. So you have to ensure कि हम है should not be 1 teaspoon per day for a normal person. And agar if we are having any hormonal problems, any metabolic disorders, then we will try and avoid sugar completely, white maida, white bread completely, and we will choose carbohydrates which are coming from coarser grains like ragi, bajra, oats, dalia. देर आर टू रीजंस फॉर दैट. फर्स्ट, जितना ज्यादा फाइबर है उतना ज्यादा हमारा शुगर लेवल मेंटेन रहता है, एंड वी आर एबल टू वर्क मोर, वी आर एबल टू maintain our immunity well. Second, more the coarser grain, they are very rich in minerals like selenium, vitamin B, जो हमारे डाइजेशन के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं और जो हमारा इम्यूनिटी बहुत अच्छे से बढ़ाते हैं. तो हम अगर वो वाली चीजें लेंगे तो एक्चुअली we will be feeling more energetic and we can fight back with the infection better. Protein, as I told you, is very, very important. For a female, it is very important to have somewhere around 40 grams. And for males, it is important to have 50 grams of protein in a day. सबको पता है कि हमारा प्रोटीन किससे मिलता है, बट पॉइंट है दैट अगर मैं 24 आवर्स लेती हूँ किसी पेशेंट का, तो दे विल हैव पोहा इन द ब्रेकफास्ट, सब्जी एंड रोटी इन देयर लंच एंड सब्जी एंड रोटी इन देयर डिनर. इन अ होल डे उनका प्रोटीन कंटेंट सिर्फ 10 ग्राम होता है. तो हमें कोशिश करनी है कि कुछ ना कुछ बीच में हम प्रोटीन रिच चीजें डाल दें, सो दैट हमारा प्रोटीन कंटेंट इज समवेयर अराउंड 40 to 50 grams. Fat and omega-3, I have written it separately because now when I see the 24 hours recall, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है that our diet is very rich in omega-6. हम लोग oil ले रहे हैं, हम लोग बहुत खा रहे हैं, हमारा सैचुरेटेड फैट और ट्रांस फैट का इंटेक बहुत ज्यादा है, एंड द सैचुरेटेड फैट एंड ट्रांस फैट क्रिएट्स इन्फ्लेमेशन इनसाइड. द मोमेंट इन्फ्लेमेशन होती है तो उससे हमारे हार्मोन्स इफेक्ट होते हैं, हमारा डाइजेशन खराब हो जाता है और हम बहुत ज्यादा ससेप्टेबल हो जाते हैं इन्फेक्शन से. सो ट्राई एंड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ट्रांस फैट. अभी ट्रांस फैट क्या है? एनीथिंग which has to be fried and the oil is reused. That reused oil. तो हम जब कभी भी कोई बाहर से फ्रेंच फ्राइज ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, हम चिप्स खा रहे हैं, हम कचौड़ी समोसास बाहर से खा रहे हैं, वो लोग बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव थिंग अपना ऑयल कॉन्टिन्यूसली सेम ऑयल में करते रहते हैं आपका फ्राई. सो होता ये है दैट देन यू आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ ट्रांस फैट. So try and avoid these type of things completely from your regular diet. I know winters are coming. We love parathas. तो हम घर पे पराठा 1/2 to 1 teaspoon घी में बनाते हैं. It is healthy. Even if you want to have a pakada, don't go outside and have it. I would say घर में लो because the oil content, the quality of oil is at least good. And then you can compensate the calories in the further diet. Similarly for omega-3, ensure having at least 3 to 4 teaspoons of seeds on a daily basis. हम बादाम खाते हैं, हम अखरोट खाते हैं, लेकिन हम in India हमारी आदत नहीं है that we will go for chia seeds, basil seeds, pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, alsi, flax seeds. So ensure that you are having 2 से 3 चम्मच of alsi powder, pumpkin, melon, chia. These seeds are, apart from very rich in omega-3, are rich in zinc, selenium, and lot of B vitamins, and they can boost your immunity like anything. Also they are very good for your heart and they are very good for your bones. And जब winters आते हैं तो there are a lot of aches and pains, हमारे हड्डियों में दर्द शुरू हो जाता है. तो it is very important for us that हम a good amount of seeds and around 10 to 15 nuts अपनी diet में daily डालें. Vitamins and minerals, as I told you, for immunonutrients, selenium, iron, zinc, A, B, C, D, and E. They are actually a good antioxidants and इनको हमें हमारे diet में regular use करना है. I would say the people who are taking eggs, ये बहुत बड़ा myth हो जाता है that they take the egg whites and they leave the yolk part. So ensure that हम yolk खा रहे हैं because yolk is very rich in vitamin D, zinc, and iron, which are हमारे immunonutrients. So start having that. There is lot of carrots, pumpkins, colorful capsicums, beetroot, which are giving you lots and lots of phytonutrients, lycopenes, and all the things which your body needs to step up the immunity. But problem arises that we have to plan it accordingly. अगर हमने सही से अपने प्लानिंग नहीं की और हम सुबह सोचेंगे कि हम कैसे इतनी सारे सब्जियां खाएं, तो हम नहीं खा पाएंगे. सो इंश्योर करें कि हम रात को ही सोच लेंगे कि हम कैसे अपने डेली डाइट में 600 ग्राम्स ऑफ सब्जी पहले तो इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, और जितनी ज्यादा कलरफुल इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं उतना ज्यादा हम हेल्दी खा रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स फ्रॉम दी डाइट हमारा ये विटामिन और इसके अलावा हमें फाइटो न्यूट्रिएंट्स और रिजर्वेट ऑयल्स भी बहुत मिलते हैं. सो आई ऑलवेज से चूज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन. सीजनल वेजिटेबल्स ही अच्छी होती हैं. इस टाइम पे जब हमारे हड्डियों में दर्द होता है तो हमारे पास में गोभी, कैबेज, ब्रोकली which is actually very good for your bones. इस टाइम पे we can have lot of cough, cold, asthma. ये प्रॉब्लम्स विंटर्स में बहुत होते हैं. सो यू गेट लॉट ऑफ आंवला हेयर, लॉट ऑफ ऑरेंजेस इन दिस सीजन. अगर हम 2 से 3 आंवले ऐसे ही जूस बना के पी लेते हैं तो हमारा विटामिन सी कंटेंट 50 से 60% ऑफ द डेली आरडीए हम आराम से ले सकते हैं. देन देयर इज बीटरूट, टोमेटोज आर वेरी गुड, कैरेट्स which are very rich in beta carotene. So take the seasonals, don't go for anything which is not seasonal, but have it in a good amount. Please reduce sugar and salt in your diet. There are a lot of people who say कि हमें तो डायबिटीज नहीं है, हम चीनी क्यों ना खाएं, या हमें तो ब्लड प्रेशर की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम क्यों नहीं नमक खा सकते हैं. But this is a research which says that if you're having too much of sugar and salt, you are actually reducing your immunity. Your body is not able to fight with infections, and also there are lot of overload to your kidneys and your pancreas. हम जितनी ज्यादा चीनी खाते हैं उतना ज्यादा उसे इंसुलिन बनाने पड़ता है. तो ग्रेजुअली अगर वी आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल, इट विल अफेक्ट अस. एंड हमारा जो कोई भी अभी आजकल वी आर मच मोर ससेप्टेबल टू मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर्स. सो वी शुड एटलीस्ट ट्राई एंड रिड्यूस शुगर एंड सॉल्ट इन अवर डाइट एंड try to prevent the problems after 40, which usually we have, like diabetes, hypertension, fatigue, irritability. ये सारी चीजें आती इसलिए हैं because हमारा 70% of diet is carbohydrates, और वो भी ऐसा कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो सिंपल है. तो जब हम बॉडी को न्यूट्रिशन देंगे ही नहीं तो वो परमानेंट फटीग रहेगी, इरिटेबल रहेगी, एंड यू नॉट एक्साइटेड टू गो एंड डू सम न्यू वर्क. सो यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट हम एक बैलेंस डाइट ले रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सप्लीमेंट्स कम्स एज अ सेकेंडरी थिंग. When your body is actually deficient in a lot of things, then the supplements come. But there is a part wherein we are not deficient so much that we need a supplement, but because we are not feeding ourselves well, we are not performing well. हमारे में energy नहीं है, like working more. So it is always better to choose right. Don't go for simple carbohydrates. Don't go for a lot of sugary items, packaged and processed foods. Include a lot of fruits, vegetables, paneer, egg, dalein, sprouts, coarser grains in your diet. This is another very important thing. Probiotics, 80% हमारे जो problems हैं वो gut से होते हैं. एंड अगर हमारा गट हेल्दी है तो हमारी 80% से ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम सॉर्टेड है. प्रोबायोटिक्स विल हेल्प यू टू कीप योर फ्लोरा एंड फोना better. So try and include curd. There are so many people who say that you're not supposed to have curd in the winters, but why not? I mean, you can have curd in the winters, you can have in the winters. There is no direct relation of cold and cough and freshly prepared dahi or chaat. You can always have it. You can have fermented foods like idlis and dhoklas. You can have probiotic supplements also in case you're not very fond of the food rich in probiotics. Prebiotics also play a very important role. अगर हम अच्छे से फाइबर नहीं खाते तो अगर हमने प्रोबायोटिक लिया भी है तब भी वो अच्छे से उस पर वर्क ऑन नहीं करता है बैक्टीरिया हमारा. सो यू हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ अनियंस, गार्लिक, ओट्स, lot of other fiber rich things, so that हमारा जो gut है that is functioning very well. Apart from probiotics, I guess for the gut, the better thing is that if we can have, a lot of fluids also. In winters, we actually forget drinking water. Temperature low होता है, हमें प्यास तो लगती नहीं है और हम भूल जाते हैं पानी पीना. And when we are having just a small amount of water, so what happens is कि हमें फिर एक तो गट में मूवमेंट कम है, उससे क्या होता है दैट हमारा गट फंक्शंस खराब हो जाते हैं. Second is if you are not hydrated well, you will feel irritable, you will feel very low in energy, your metabolism goes really very down. So ensure that you are always having a sipper with you and you are sipping on either water or soup, any liquid. It is basically any fluid except tea and coffee, which can actually dehydrate you, and have somewhere around 2.5 to 3 liters. Easy formula होता है कि हमारा जितना भी weight है into 50 ml, that is the minimum amount of water जो हमें लेना है. अगर हम exercise कर रहे हैं, बहुत summers है, तो हम plus 500 कर देते हैं. These are the superfoods जो कि सब घरों में होते हैं, बट हम लोग बस थोड़े से प्लानिंग में ढीले हो जाते हैं एंड हम ये रोज लेते नहीं है. सो सिट्रस फ्रूट्स, winters में we are having so many citrus fruits. Try and have it. Colorful vegetables, already told you. Homemade chutneys, आंवला इतना अच्छा आ रहा है. There is pudina, there is धनिया जो आ रही है, and it is available readily. So make lot of chutneys, homemade chutneys with ginger, garlic, amla, and they actually act as a superfood. They will give you a lot of vitamin C. They will give you a lot of other things which can help you in digestion, which will help you in boosting your immunity. Condiments like cinnamon, ajwain, jeera, मेथी, ये सारे एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी होते हैं. सो अगर हम ये अपने डाइट में रेगुलर लेते हैं, जैसे कि वी कैन हैव डेली सूप, and in that soup we can add cinnamon. So, and we can have a tea made up of a lot of ginger, tulsi, long, which is really good for us in winters. We can have jeera after our lunch and dinner. थोड़ा सा जीरा खाने से हमारा डाइजेशन बहुत अच्छा होता है. We can always have 2 times अजवाइन का पानी, मेथी का पानी, which is actually helping us to boost up in the metabolism, helping us to digest our things better. Spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, tulsi, I mean, I don't have to say the benefits of that. Everyone knows it, that they are inflammatory. They help you to reduce onto your cholesterol levels. They actually help you to de-stress. If you are having lot of stress, go for a tulsi wala chai. Tulsi actually is very good for de-stressing apart from its antiseptic roles. So include these things in your diet. Exercise is very important. I mean, even if you don't want to lose on weight, but if you're not exercising, your body goes sluggish. बॉडी को स्लगिश, हार्मोन्स रिलीज बेटर नहीं होता, एंजाइम्स रिलीज बेटर नहीं होता, एंड इससे क्या होता है दैट हमारा जो बॉडी के सारे पैरामीटर्स हैं वो अप एंड डाउन होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो इवन इफ यू डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग इन द मॉर्निंग, प्लान समथिंग दैट यू आर हैविंग 45 minutes of exercise, dance, play, whatever, morning, evening, whenever, but you will have that on a regular basis. These are my some immunity boosting recipes for winters. हम हेल्दी सूप्स बना सकते हैं. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ रही हैं आजकल, जैसे हम पालक आ रहा है, टोमेटोज, बीटरूट, कैरेट. सो वी कैन मेक सो मेनी हेल्दी सूप्स. मशरूम्स, ब्रोकली, cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is really good for your digestion. Cinnamon is really good for your insulin thing. Cinnamon is really good for your cholesterol thing. तो हम या तो cinnamon को detox डाल सकते हैं या हम उसका चाय बना के भी पी सकते हैं. रात को you can always have turmeric milk. Sprouts, basically if you're having a dal and if you're having a sprouts have an increased amount of vitamin C, B, zinc. तो वो बहुत healthy हो जाता है. तो हम स्प्राउट्स खा लेंगे. बट यस ऑफ कोर्स अगर हमें डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज होते हैं तो हम थोड़ा सा स्टीम करके खाएंगे. हम उसको कभी भी कच्चा नहीं खाएंगे अगर हमें डाइजेस्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो आई गेस आई एंड अप विद दिस स्लाइड दैट your vitality robbers are alcohol, smoking, stress and allergies. Allergies, if you have, we cannot do anything about it except we will avoid them. Stress and anxiety, we should know how to deal with it. Try and have some recreational activities, speak to your friend, but reduce your, there are two types of stress, positive and negative. Positive stress है जिससे कि हम काम और अच्छा करते हैं, that is very good. But the moment you realize that this stress is negative and हम इससे सो नहीं पा रहे हैं, हमारे काम पे फर्क पड़ रहा है, find out way to de-stress out. And I guess for the best thing to de-stress is exercising and good music. So you can go for it. And alcohol and smoking, being a dietitian, I would always say that quit smoking and always drink in moderation, not more than 60 ml to 80 ml. That is a very one small peg whenever you're socializing, and not much more. Boosters, sleep, 6 hours of a good sleep can make you energized, your system charged up. So please make a schedule for it. If you're not sleeping better, you're sleep deprived, even if you are having really good food, your digestion will go haywire and things will not be in a better condition. Breakfast, ideal time for breakfast is within 2 hours of getting up. So ensure कि हम 2 घंटे के अंदर कुछ खा रहे हैं. I'm not saying take a lavish breakfast. कुछ नहीं खा पा रहे हैं तो हम थोड़े से almonds खा लेंगे और एक banana खा लेंगे या एक apple खा लेंगे या हम ओट्स की स्मूदी ले लेंगे. So that is also a breakfast, but ensure कि हम 2 घंटे के अंदर कुछ खा रहे हैं और खाली चाय सुबह उठ के नहीं पी रहे हैं. Breathing exercises, I think, are very important for us, and we should always do it 10 minutes daily. Right now, with a lot of smog happening, I won't say do it outside. I'll prefer that you guys do it inside. Thank you. These were my views on how to increase your immunity. I guess if anyone has any queries, we can see to it. Okay, so Mayank is saying that I'm suffering with a stomach problem, that is duodenitis, wound inside intestine, what should be my perfect diet? See, with this, basically the diet has to be a very low and a low residue diet. हम बहुत ज़्यादा सब्जियां वैसे खा पाएंगे because then that they can scar your ulcer there. और हम बहुत ज्यादा स्पाइसी फूड नहीं खाएंगे, हम ब्लैंड फूड खाएंगे, बट हमें प्रोटीन कंटेंट अपना अच्छे से लेना है फॉर द हीलिंग पार्ट. विद दिस आई डोंट नो, यू मस्ट बी गेटिंग अ सप्लीमेंटेशन आल्सो फॉर द हीलिंग एंड द मेडिसिन्स. रेस्ट यू कैन डेफिनेटली कनेक्ट विद मी फॉर अ डिटेल्ड डाइट चार्ट. Okay, and I guess there are no more questions here. It is just the one question which I have.
Doctor, I believe you have already answered all the queries in your detailed
Seriously?
which you have already shared. You have answered all the queries of, I believe, of every one of us. So,
Okay.
yeah, thank you so much. By the end of this session, we all now know that how balanced diet is important, and drinking water is important, to manage stress level is important. And there are other criteria also which Dr. Deepti has already discussed with us, and she has literally told us how these eating habits makes a huge difference in how we perform at work and in our day-to-day life. So all of us can do our part to help encourage ourselves and be healthier. So remember, do not forget yourself. Every time you eat is a opportunity to nourish yourself, your body. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Deepti. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you, everyone, for joining us. And in case anyone wants to coordinate with Dr. Deepti, he or she can take the number of Dr. Deepti from me, and you can coordinate and take the discussion further with Dr. Deepti. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Deepti. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thank you.